On Windows 10, apps can run in the background. Examples of apps that run in the background are Cortana and Edge. You have the option to selectively disable apps from running in the background or to just turn them off completely. There's a bug in the Windows 10 1803 build that prevents this from happening. You turn off background app refresh and it just enables itself again. There's a fix for this that requires you edit the Windows registry. To open the Windows registry, tap the Windows plus R keyboard shortcut. This brings up the Run dialog. In the Run dialog, type regedit and tap Enter. In the Windows registry, enter the path given in the description below and tap Enter. In this location, what you need to do is look for a key called migrated. If the key isn't there, you can create it. Right-click inside the key section, go to New, dword 32-bit value. Name it migrated and set its value to 4. Click OK, close the Windows registry and restart your system for good measure. This ought to fix the problem with background app refresh resetting. But if it doesn't, there's one more fix that you can try. Again, open the Windows registry and there's another path given in the video description. Paste that path there and look for a dword value called background app global toggle. If it's there, delete it and restart your system. Again, customize the background app refresh settings and this time they ought to persist past a reboot.